video today we're going to talk about climate injustice in relation to Pakistan. The impact of climate change on the globe is very unequal.
Yeah, Pakistan is one of the countries most vulnerable to the negative effects of climate change. It's the world's sixth most populous country, but it's responsible for just 0.88% of global emissions, less than one-eighth of the United States per capita emissions, and one-third of the United Kingdom. What are some examples of climate injustice in Pakistan?
An Islamic relief assessment in flood-affected areas in Pakistan found that 40% of young children now suffer stunted growth. Family struggles to access food and healthcare. 80% mother report sickness among children. What are some other examples?
Women and girls were particularly affected in the 2022 floods. Pregnant women were struggling to access maternal health services, and girls were most likely to be underweight. Many women displaced by the flooding still do not have safe private spaces to breastfeed, which leads to poor health for babies.
Exactly. Women in Pakistan are more vulnerable to climate change because the majority of them live in rural areas and receive no education in disaster mitigation. Social status and gender norms make it harder for them to voice their needs, and then education is also less accessible to them.
Yeah, women farmers are especially vulnerable. According to a 2018 UN Women Report, 60% of women's agricultural work is unpaid. Pakistan is the world's fourth largest cotton producer, and women do most of the cotton picking in the country, but they work in unsafe conditions for low wages. The 2022 floods destroyed Sindh's cotton belt, which reduced their already low income and made it harder for those women to repay their debts.
Yeah, and it's not just women farmers. Agricultural workers in Pakistan are more vulnerable to climate change in general. For example, floods brought homelessness to and also loss of crops for Aziz Kingrani, a farmer in Duda city. His son had to come back from his college education to help his family. The issue coexists with economic inequality. Sharecropping still exists in rural Pakistan. The farmer repays the landlord by splitting profits from agriculture yield. When their income is affected by flooding, the debt gets rolled over to the following year and could last for generations. Small farmers face the danger of losing their land to landlords and moneylenders. In our next videos, we'll dig deeper into the issues of climate injustice in Pakistan. Stay tuned for that. See you!
See you!